Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Ankr coin price update. That what's going on in the Ankr coin, what's the price changes occur. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe, so make sure to subscribe for more news and update videos. So guys, in the beginning of video, the price of Ankr coin is negative, but after few seconds, the price becomes positive. Wow, congratulations. Other side, guys, if we talk about the currently price of Ankr coin in the market, so 0.1588 USD dollar, that is the currently latest price of Ankr coin in the market. The changes of Ankr coin is going crazy, going unbelievable. Very congratulations to all Ankr coin holders. Other side, if we talk about the latest price update of Ankr coin, so unfortunately the fully diluted market cap these the latest all update is of Ankr coin is going negative, but that's not mean, guys, that if the latest update is going negative, so you decide to say no, guys. That's wrong. Just hold for a long time. If you hold for a long time, so at the last you get a huge profit, guys. So that's my personal opinion about for our Ankr coin holders, guys. Now in the latest situation, everything is going negative. You can see here from a price chart is also clear, but here they struggle. But unfortunately, in the latest situation, I'm just talking about the latest update, so in the right now situation, the price is going negative. But don't worry, guys, after a few days the price will again become positive, guys. So you know what, if the price becomes negative, so that's not mean then you decide to sell, guys. Just hold for a long time. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.